Right. Okay, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1 is always a friendly talk. Right? So don't be afraid. Examiners are really good human being. Okay? So for the purpose of part 1 is to relax the candidates. That's why they ask you very simple questions about your hobbies, free time activities, weekend activities, hometown and all that. So the first thing is you need to relax yourselves by thinking that it's not an exam. I'm going to speak, I'm going to demonstrate my speaking skill, right? That will relax your nerves. Second, answer the questions directly. Start your answer from the question. Use synonyms. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions and you can reply. My first question is, did you share anything with others recently? Or have you shared anything with others recently? Now, this question needs some experience. Very recently, I shared some money with my younger brother, he needed, or anything else. So please, have you shared anything recently with others?
Yeah, exactly. I share many things with my hostel mates.
Speak loudly, please.
Yes, exactly. I share many things with my hostel mates. Recently, I shared my bike with my hostel mate friend. Uh, they want a bike, so that's
They wanted a bike.
They wanted a bike, so that's why
I shared my bike
shared
with
my
them.
bike with them.
Good. Did your parents teach you to share when you were a child?
Yeah, sometimes parents teach me taught me about many things, like how we can share the things and what benefits when we share the things with others. So people.
My parents
Oh,
taught
sorry.
me. Yeah.
Parents
So when I
taught
was small, my parents gave me special training
training to-
on how to share things with others. Right? At the end, this should be a concluding sentence that again links your every argument to the question. Okay. What kind of things do you like to share with others?
Many things I like to share with others, like some notes, study books, and the other things like bike and for transport. And sometimes I shared my money with some people who needed the
Who are needy
who are
or
needy
who need?
who need.
Okay. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
I think clothes are not the things which we can share. So clothes.
See, this is a very short answer, right? Although the answer should be clothes. For example, what kind of things are not suitable for sharing? I think clothes are not appropriate. For suitable, I'm using the word appropriate. So clothes are not appropriate to be shared because whenever we give our clothes to someone, there might be some diseases that we catch when we wear the same clothes again. There are certain skin diseases and these diseases transmit by sharing clothes. So I think clothes should not be shared with others. Complete answer, not just one sentence. If you just give one sentence answer, examiner will say again and again, why, right? And then you will say, hi, okay. All right, that's fine, but your answers were short, so focus the answer, right? Well, it's your turn. Very simple. For you, I have a topic and that is sunglasses. Now you might think, silly topic. Yeah, sometimes you know what happens? Examiners will ask you some questions and you will say, well, I answered this question, why are you asking again? Never say this to examiner. If they ask you the same question or you think it's the same question, then you can answer differently. Now if I say, what's your favorite drink? For example, say my favorite drink is this, or what type of drinks do you like? Same question. But you need to answer every question. Do not argue with the examiner. Do not try to teach the examiner how to take the speaking test. Yes. So let's take a start. Sunglasses. Do you have a pair of sunglasses? A lot of exaggeration and happy talk, very good collection and all that. Do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Well, as you asked about sunglasses, I have two
Two pairs of.
two pairs of sunglasses. Actually, I wore glasses because of some reason. The one reason is that because of my eye infection, and the other one is just for as fashion. So that's why I'm wearing glasses, and I had two pairs of sunglasses.
I have.
I have.
Good. How often do you wear glasses? Now you already answered, but now you will elaborate further on that. How often do you wear sunglasses?
Well, I wear sunglasses thrice a week because after maybe a 1 day or after 2 days, if I go somewhere for a shopping and to meet someone else, or if any any crowdy place, so I just try to wear it because I had eyes infection problem. So
Okay.
that's why it's really important and necessary for me to wear it.
Very good. For glasses, we use them
Them.
because we say pair of glasses.
Yeah.
Yes. Have you ever lost sunglasses?
Yeah, it's really important question because one of my sunglass pair, I lost it and I don't know where I lost it because it's in purple color and it's really
It was.
it was in purple color and there was just too much attractive. So I don't know who stole who stole
Okay,
it
all right.
and or I lost it.
Rest in peace.
Yeah.
Okay. Do people in your country wear sunglasses?
Sorry.
Do people in your country wear sunglasses?
Yes, many of people wear sunglasses in my country because of some reason. Some has eyesight.
Some have.
Some have eyesight problem. Some wants to wear just because of fashion.
Listen, now first say some have, then say others want to wear.
Others
If you just repeat some, that's repetition. Others want to. Now please carry on from others.
Like, others want to wear it because of some reasons like eyesight issues
Okay.
due to fashions and due to different reasons.
Okay, wear them, not it. And
Okay.
fashions with S. You know, we call it Mira's English. Googles, YouTubes. So this is what you need to avoid, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, your answers are pretty good. Just you need to see pronoun should be used. If the noun is singular, then you can use them. If singular, then it. Otherwise, them.
Them.
Yeah, pair of glasses.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Now we move on.
Can I give it?
Yes, to her. यहाँ तक clip कर ले, so the voice will be clear. Okay, your topic is drinking water, the water that we drink every day. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, I think we should drink maximum water because it's very necessary for our body as well as our skin, and there are many issues related with water, so we should drink maximum water we can in a day.
Okay, or we should drink as much water as we can
we
in a
can.
day. That can be a better phrase. How often do you drink water?
Well, most of the time, in fact, my day starts with a glass of water. It's a very good habit, and I try my best. I try my level best to drink more and more water. So there is not any specific time. So whenever I just feel it's a little bit time over, so I should drink a glass of water.
Do you drink bottled water or okay, listen, we just modify this question. Okay, do you drink mineral water or filtered water?
Yes, in our houses, as you know, there is filtered water came, and so we are used to drink filtered water.
We drink. We are used to drinking or we drink filtered water?
Okay. We drink filtered water, so not mineral water, but we used to drink filtered water.
We used to drink in present is not appropriate.
Okay.
You should say we drink. Remember, just use used to in the past.
past,
In the
yes.
past, in present tense, first form of the verb says
We
the
drink.
same thing. Exactly. All right. What kind of water do you like to drink? Now, kind of water means cold water, hot water, or it can be like mineral water, bottled water, whatever. So, I mean, it depends on your understanding.
Okay.
What kind of water do you like to drink?
Well, mostly I prefer room temperature water. In fact, I never drink cold water, and it's also not good for our health. So I especially avoid drinking cold water. I use like low heated, you can say, temperature water.
Okay. Is your country facing any water crisis?
Yes, there are many problems in our country. Among them, one is water crisis also, and it is becoming now our current issue, you can say. And there are many problems related to this water issue because people are wasting water very much in their daily routine life. So we are facing water problem.
Okay, this is good. Yeah, now the answers are fine. So just keep this thing up. To the point answer, direct answer, focus your language, give a variety to the examiner, be excited about your answers, right? And the answer should be like, there are some pictures which you frame. So the answer should be like, it should be framed in the dictionary of examiner and all that. Give examiner a good experience. Examiner will give you normal experience or whatever, but you should give a very good experience to the examiner,
Yes.
and then inshallah you will get better pen score. All the best. Thank you.